I want to be clear about something. I really, with competency assessment, I struggle with the fact that competencies come from the top down in an organization. And even add anything from governmental regulations or things like that too. That's the same kind of concept. The whole idea of we have to do a mandatory something, mandatory this, mandatory that. You know, and we have piles and piles of regulatory things, mandatory modules, required competencies. There's all kinds of names for this stuff. And we have it coming from the top down. And I don't know, but you know, I've seen people have 30, 40, 50, 200 competency things. And we're checking them off, Got to do my competency stuff every year. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And it's not necessarily making us smarter or better. And that's what concerns me. I had a group that looked at this in Chicago, big hospital system. They calculated for in their hospital system, they had 4 hospitals, they were spending $1.2 million on training every year for mandatory modules, $1.2 million. So they decided to go around and ask employees questions about that for any module that they had for 3 years or more. You should know that information now. If you've done it for 3 years in a row, we want to ask you some questions about stuff. So they asked them questions. Less than 2% of the information was retained. So you're spending $1.2 million for a less than 2% return rate? That's crazy.